good. Now, P-Tom, don't enter Peloton unless it can show you a break of 930 and hold. Otherwise, it's coming down, okay? Don't touch it here trying to be a hero. This could knife drop. Do you hear me, everybody? Never buy at the top like that. It has to break and hold for the next channel. Otherwise, it's coming down. Yes?
Yes.
Thank you. I mean, honestly, your downside has a better chance than your upside because look how much more room is to the down versus to the up. So this is why I'm always very careful, even on a full reversal, because now all this is to me is a double top, waiting to see what it does. It has to show me one way or the other. If it doesn't, I don't touch it. Now right here, it's starting to go ahead. I'll tell you when I enter, by the way, so you guys can see what I would do in this situation, because I'm actually going to trade it. But I have to wait. These little wicks coming through, that ain't it, Chief. That is not a break and hold, right? As soon as it breaks and holds, meaning it comes through and it stays up in there, I'll take it. Otherwise, not doing it. There it goes. See that? There's your knife drop. There's your knife drop.
Oh, wow.
Yep. I told you.
Yep.
Textbook.
Yep. That's why we don't.
What would have been nice.
Yeah.
If there were only one place.
Right.
Nostradamus on that one.
Good job, everybody. Way to be in control of that trade. I love you guys. That is a double top knife drop. Like I said, the odds are more to the downside than they are to the upside because you can see, look at the range. Let me show you. Upside potential, risk to reward, right, Mark, is 6 cents to the up. But look at the down from 930 down to 905. So 6 cents to the up, but look at the downside. So this can easily gap back down to where it came from versus you risking it to make 6 cents. Does that make sense, everyone?
Where's the squeeze, right?
Yes.
Yes. So hopefully you guys all learned, like that was actually a really good class on a double top full. This is a cup and handle, by the way. For those of you that love your patterns, there's your cup, there's your handle. See it? If you guys buy the $500 TradingView indicators, which by the way are included for free in your VIP, look at SPY on here. Look at Google right here next to it. You see these? My indicator told you right here at 8:30 this morning it was a go. See it? Google, same thing, at 8:30 said it was a long, and there it goes. See it? Does it get any more textbook than that? If you would have bought these either a VIP or your TradingView indicators, these trades easily just paid for probably 10 years of you using that service. Now, Carvana, I can see it here, pulled way back. It's coming back up. Now listen, this is the same thing that I just showed you. So if this makes its way back up to above 39.25, same drill. This is a cup, even though it's small. See this? That's a double top. 1, 2. We have to wait for the break. Otherwise, what's it going to do? Come right back down, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Coach.
All right, good deal. So if you're trying to be a hero and you're like, I'm going to long it, if you're like, I'm going to go for it because it's got this nice uptrend, you're probably going to get your face ripped off in a minute because you didn't wait for the right time. It has to be above 39.25 and hold. And if you look at all these little wicks, none of them could hold here. See these? So, I mean, honestly, if you wanted to be safe, 39.42 is like bullish. See it? Because it's attempted at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times and could not hold. See them all? Okay, and there's your knife drop.
Wow.
So does that make sense, everybody?
100%.
Yes,
Okay, good.
Yes.
absolutely.
Yes, coach.